Hey there friends, ETPC here. Well, I've had this Smart Tiles Peel and Stick Black Splash for several years now, and sometimes if you wash it and if you're rubbing it like this way against the against the grain, I guess I would say, sometimes one of your corners can get up like this. So not a big deal. I'm going to show you how to take care of it. So this one, like, you can push on a little bit and it just kind of sticks up. So we're going to pop it out just a hair with a toothpick. Happy birthday or happy holiday toothpick. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take a little bit of super glue. You can use other glue, but I like this one. This is just what I do. And we're just going to put a little bit on here, like so. And I'm going to kind of put that up underneath there. Just kind of get it on the edge if I can. And then I'm going to I use a pencil eraser here, and just kind of hold it down there. Okay, that should be good. And we got just a little bit of glue there. This super glue is no joke, actually. It works really good. Just clean it up just a hair. I probably can wash it off there, but I'm just going to scrape it off. So these tiles are pretty durable. Let's see here. I'll probably just scrub that off a little bit, as long as I don't do it the wrong way, right? And then we'll dry it. And pretty much as good as new. So these tiles still working great after several years. And just a quick little fix there. Remember, if you do clean them down periodically, stuff gets splashed down. They're pretty resilient. But yeah, if you're going to wipe it down with soap and water, just go over, these things overlap a little bit, so you're going to wash or wipe it with the grain, I guess you would say, so towards over the overlapping part. You don't want to go back against it, because sometimes you get a little bit of water under there, and over time it'll deal with the adhesiveness of the actual tile there. But so quick fix, just kind of a little bit of super glue, put it under there, hold it on there for a second, you're good to go, and should be good for many more years to come. I'm still really happy with this product. It's no real hassles, easy to clean, looks great, and compared to like a normal backsplash, quite a bit cheaper and easier to install in my opinion. So thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day out there.